jump. 1, 2, 3, jump! Come on then, Drew, let's get this thing up in the air. Uh-oh. There goes the fridge. What do you reckon? Can you get out of there? Or have we got it stuck? Now we can get it out. It's a 5-ton monster truck. A mere folder estate in a caravan doesn't present a problem. That was a bit special, wasn't it? That's how we destroy caravans. I don't know, he might go for another jump here.
You know where you are? You're in the jungle, baby.
Look at the lovely velour upholstery. Lovingly torn apart by the tyres of Podzilla. Like a big dinosaur circling his prey. Working out what to do next. So it looks like she's going to land it up on top of